Good afternoon. It is Friday afternoon, November the 9th, 1:45 p.m. here in Herman, Tennessee. Just a quick update on the progress of the transition from Google Plus to MeWe. I have now got a profile, a page, and a group. The profile, basically where I'll be controlling things from, you'll be able to see, and I'll show it to you in a minute. The page will be where collections are housed, and there's a neat trick that MeWe does to the video vault collection that I wasn't expecting. I'll show it to you. The group, of course, will be like our community over there. In the details below, there will be links to each of them. You can join me as a contact. You can join me as a member of the group or as a follower of the page. One does not automatically get you the other. You have to ask for each of them. Like I said, there'll be links in the contacts below, but let's start with the screen share. And what I'm going to be sharing is this is the profile page we're going to start with. All right, now hopefully you all can see all that. What's neat about this is they ask you for the city and everything. I've shown this, I think, before. Most people that have seen anything about this know this, but instead of just using text, you can actually put links in. That would be a link to my YouTube. That would be a link actually to the page, but I've got that also over here. You can even, if the text and links are short enough, you can even embed videos here. The one thing you run into is the link. There is a character length limit, and if it won't go over that, the video doesn't show up. When you click on it, it gives you a 404 error. So you have to be careful about the number of characters that you're posting. But it does play, and then here's the instructions. You click the video, move your mouse over the player, click YouTube, and then you read the actual details in the link. So we click this, we go to YouTube, then you would go down here, and as you can see, this is the link to the actual Zoom recording for the latest webinar training, you see? And then you click that, it follows along with it. So that is that. The next thing I want to show you is, instead of the profile link, we're going to show you, this is the page. I have pinned the post at the top that will be updated every day, Monday through Friday. The latest getting started with Zoom video will be available. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday updates for the latest Zoom meeting trainings, and on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, the webinar trainings, because they send me links to those one day after the event happens. Okay. Then when I post a video vault thing, this is what happens. It starts out as normal, just like it did in the video vault over on G+. But when you click show more, it doesn't just give you the text. It gives you the text and then gives you a link. Instead of just giving you a link, it gives you the actual thumbnail so that you can see what it's going to be about and everything. I was really surprised when it did that. I was shocked, in fact. So that is the page, and here is the user-to-user group. This is where the main part, this is where the postings will actually be done. Now, I have shut off the group chat because some new people were finding it confusing. And really, we all most of the time use the Hangout chat for, that anyway. It makes for a cleaner presentation. You don't have the back and forth, going on and it constantly moving. And also, you don't have to worry with turning off that annoying ping sound every time somebody did a chat thing. So, we basically, there will be no group chats in the thing. It'll be just like the community where you post. If you want to ping somebody, you've got the Hangout chat from Google, which is not going away. It will be available. But that's just a quick overview of what's been done. And it looks like, let me stop the screen sharing here. Okay, it looks like from everything that I've done so far that it will serve the purpose of replacing the user-to-user live Google Plus community. Now, it may not suit all communities, but we can make it work. There's some things that I have written to ask for, like on the profile. I would like to see the categories done away with down each side. I would like to see totally customizable so we could name both the category and put the link in. I'd like for them to widen the left-hand sidebar a little bit so that you could actually embed videos in both of them. That way you have 13 or 14 slots that you could feature different videos in, different content, and everything. That I think would really be a great help. But that's all I've got for right now. I just wanted to keep you all up to date. Like I said, down below, there will be links for you, if you haven't already, can come over to MeWe and join as one of my contacts, join as a member of the user-to-user live group on MeWe, or join as on the page where I will be housing not only the video collections, but any other, like I had the Zoom tips, that was a collection. That's going to be for my collections. If I start another OBS collection rather than the course that I did, that'll be over there too. Anyway, thank you for watching, and now I'm going to end this and get it posted up on YouTube.